Oh, no. Always. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. Yeah. Oh my God. Why are you running? Why are you running? What? You owe me money. You have to give me back my money.
Which money? I owe you which money? Oh, because I'm running for you.
Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. We must learn a lesson. This man, 70.
Oh, son, before people will.
Oh, no, 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 no. NANI?! Oh, no, 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 no.